Yeah, we're about to go see the M3, so we're taking the spaceship, and they're gonna slide out, get some of the beginning stages, like the kit all laid out and everything. Oh, and I forgot oh my god, forgot my laptop, because I have to take the stock file and send it to ESS so they can send me my map for the Supercharger. So let me go get my laptop and then come back. Oh my god, I do this every time. Alright, so the bonnet's open and we got the kit all laid out. So here's a new plenum, recirc valve, intake, pulley, bracket. This is an air to water intercooler. I believe this is the what do you call it, the thing for the intercooler as well. But this is actually some oil over here. The blower, which is actually very, very light. And the good thing about the blower being lighter, I believe the whole kit is like 30 pounds lighter than like the 625 kit. So that's good. And I also heard that you get better bottom end torque, so it's also another bonus. Belt, hoses, and air filter. And that's basically it. Like, the kit doesn't have too many actual pieces, which is a good thing, because that means it's just like mainly piping. The rest of the stuff is just a bolt-on type of affair. And then also the methanol kit is in the trunk. Let's get over there. And then with the methanol kit, it's also not too much of a thing. Oh, let me bring this over there. But yeah, with the methanol kit, it's not too much. And with these cars, the battery's in the back, so it's not like you have to do a whole bunch of wiring to the interior and everything like that. So, like, pretty straightforward. So, let me see where I'm pretty sure I have it in here somewhere. But the dongle is in here somewhere, and then I'm going to take the stock map and send it to ESS so they can send me my new file. And I also noticed that the, what do you call it? This one comes with just a single pulley, which is the 96.5. So that also means that I'll be able to downsize it one more when I do the headers and everything like that. So that's perfect. I'll be running even more boost than I thought before, because I thought I was only going to be around 6.5 to 7.5 pounds, but with the 94 millimeter pulley, I believe that's like 8 to 8.5 pounds of boost. So that's going to be a bunch of good gains as well. So I guess I'll probably be starting up the laptop, getting the stock map down and sending that out, and I'm pretty sure I'll show you guys some clips of that. So I'll catch you in the next clip. Alright, so it's literally the same program as the, what do you call it, the Alpine MS. So it's basically the same thing. Like the E36 was the same thing as well. All of them used like the same file, but we got the trickle charger on and everything like that, so the car doesn't die and break the ECU while we're reading it. And the dongle and everything is in there, and you see it doing its thing. Hopefully you can see the light. Yeah, you can kind of see it. Yeah, I just gotta learn to use this camera a little bit more efficiently. But yeah, it's a simple thing. It's probably gonna take like 20-30 minutes to do. And after that, send the file out, get my tune, get it back. And I'm pretty sure I need to tell them like my mods and stuff, like it's catless. I think that's it, because everything else was all like bolt-on stuff. So yeah, I'll get you guys in the next clip. And he's also looking for some help. So it's anybody who's like who can get to like the Massachusetts Holbrook area, but it's not just like any Joe Schmo. You actually have to have some experience and everything like that. And you have to be very enthusiastic about your work, because as you can see, the work he does here is like top notch. So if you're if you're local and you're mechanically inclined, you do good work and you're good at good learning, and you can, especially if you have like some welding and fabrication experience and things like that, send me a message on Instagram. IMSCHWAGGY. I'll see some work. You can send me some work, anything like that, and you'll have a place of employment. Like, because the work that is being done here is top notch quality, top notch, and there's a lot of cars that come through here, so you have a lot of opportunity to make money and stuff like that. But it's not just stuff like, you know, it doesn't just come in and go out. There's a lot of time and effort that goes into it. So if you're serious, you do good work, you have a good work ethic, punctual and everything like that, let me know and we can work something out, because I'm trying to get this guy some good hands in here so we can get this stuff up. Because like, you can be assembling supercharged E46s with meth kits, LS swapped E46 wagons, V10 Audis. Like, it's a lot of cool stuff, and there's a lot more. So yeah, let me know, because we're gonna be getting some work done in here. We're gonna get the amount of people who work here, the number is gonna go up, and the amount of cars that come are gonna go up. And then he's also looking to get a bigger shop space so he can have all of his fabrication equipment laid out and easier to access and stuff like that. So yeah, let's get it going, because there's a lot of opportunity to get experience and to do work in here. So it's probably the end of the video. We're not going to really do anything else. Like, comment, subscribe, and again, if you're capable and good with your hands and mechanically inclined, let me know, because it's a lot of opportunity in here. So peace. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe. You already know what I say at the end of every video. I don't have a bottle of water with me, but drink water, motherfuckers.